Hey Ellie, what you doing?
Sup, Jane? I'm doing research on viruses.
You mean COVID-19?
Yes, but first we'll learn about viruses in general.
Okay, that's smart.
You see, before you go to war, you have to know everything about your enemy. Noni.
Wow, so COVID-19 really enters the body through the nose?
Exactly, but it spread through the nose and mouth. That is why covering your nose and mouth is so important.
Now I see why we must wear a mask.
Also, stay physically distant and wash your hand with soap under running water as often as possible.
Also use hand sanitizer. Is hair right?
Who?
Oh yes. Ikwa, your girlfriend.
Doto, I've told you we are just friends.
So you say.
I'll forward her the video.
You see I know it was hair.
Dogolafima.
Enti wei ne akoben no, ejina homa ahoboabo ema oko. Be prepared.
Yes.
Wei so eye Adinkraheni, the chief of Adinkra symbols. It means greatness, and obekase keseyo, charisma, any leadership.
Your phone, you have a message.
Hey, video earlier sending me keke.
Hey, mommy.
Debi.
Please.
Okay. Wo first. Nenso wo kra wo point bi mami o.
I. Okay, here goes. Meba ayeno enche bia nanso nkofo frame me dim bebre. Nanso sisia no wo frame coronavirus. Ami wo hum wo China wo 2019. Now, nkofo bebre frame coronavirus another the novel coronavirus. Ame mitum ranyimpa ne hunam diem. Owo ne hwinim. Na mitum su poi fi nenum another ne hwinim wo bra wakasa another wo hint. Na dekora ye yon wo honye de. Emfa wenyo humida. To be continued. Yay!